Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson, the roadman, and today guys I'm here at my cottage in our village here in Lusaka. So yeah, let me show you. That's our little cottage over here and our little plants that we've planted here. We hope we can extend this to the other side. But yeah, today guys I want to clear this. You know, there's so much grass that has grown here. So let me show you. Actually, we want to clear the front side before we get to the back side. Look at this. Look at this. Looks so dirty. It doesn't look good. You can see this grass, a whole lot of it needs to be cleared. So in today's video, this is our job. This is about you know, the work that we'll be doing today. Up to this far, we need to clear this. We need to clear this, guys. We need to clear this part here. You know, we need to clear it. So if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do post a video, you guys won't miss like any single of my upload. Okay, so let's get started from here. But I don't want to really disturb these plants over here, like these palm trees that we planted here. You know, we want them to keep growing. Yeah, you can see this is a new leaf over here. Hopefully it helps this to grow, you know. And this one we have another new leaf over here. This one is a new leaf. So I've tried to slash this area, but still after a few days I find that the grass has grown. So it's better we just use a hoe or a pick just to remove all the grass from the bottom. So that's what I've actually started doing from this end. Okay, so we need to remove. So I've started from here. Yes guys, from here I've started and I'm moving towards this side. Small, slowly. You can see from here. So I have to continue now and yeah, go all the way. You know, working guys. Yeah, it can look nice if we are done here. Clear everything, you know, that can be very good. So that's the job for today, I think. Yeah, please give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. That really helps, guys. Subscribe. I'll keep updating you guys as we progress here. Okay. Alright guys, so we're still weeding right here at our cottage, guys. It's a very hard work as well. So over there is the pick which I'm using actually, but it looks like it's going to rain anytime soon. So let me do this part, maybe end here, and then tomorrow, the other day when it's raining, we can actually continue. Okay, so The rains are here, guys. Alright guys, let me just update you on what we were able to do today. So we've cleared this area, starting from here. This guys, take a look. Looks better. Take a look. So we removed all the grass which was here, and this is what I intend to do even on the other side there. Okay, you can see the plants can be are actually visible now as compared to that time where the grass was even beating the plants. Yeah, you can see at least it looks better from here. It looks better. So now I want to continue doing this all the way up to that to the wall fence there and the gate on the other side. So that's what we want to do. Yes guys, but otherwise the rains actually came and disturbed me, so I had to stop, you know, and give it a bit of time, and it rained, stopped, came back again, rained, so it has been raining, you know. Otherwise, this is it. We are right here at the cottage in the village. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video to this far. I'll see you in my next video, but remember to always like my video, and those that have just come across this particular video for the first time, please consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do post a new video, you won't miss like any single of my upload. My name is Samson the Roadman. On this particular channel I actually do content related to traveling, real estate, and farming content. So if you like any of these three things, you are actually on the right channel, so make sure that you subscribe. Let's go.